Today we will make baked spaghetti. Let's see the ingredients. Boiled spaghetti, milk, cheese slices, cheese blend, maida or all-purpose flour, butter and olives. Let's take a pan and heat it. Add the butter into the pan. Allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, you are going to add the all-purpose flour, that is the maida, into it. So here our butter has melted. Now let's put in the flour and mix it vigorously with the butter. Here the flour has cooked along with the butter. Now is the time to put the milk. Be careful when you're putting the milk. The lumps should not be formed. Actually, it will be better if your milk is little hot than the room temperature. There are less chances of the lumps being formed. In case any lumps are formed, try to break the lumps using your spatula. Let the milk thicken a bit. Here the milk has thickened. Let's add salt to taste. Put little less because we'll put cheese which is very salted. Then add the pizza seasoning and some black pepper powder. Mix in all these ingredients properly. Stir it. Now add a cheese slice. If your kids or you like more cheese, you can add 2 slices. Here I am going to add just 1 slice of cheese. Mix the cheese and allow it to melt. Yes, here you can see the cheese has melted. You can have little more milk in case you need it to be more saucy. Now add the spaghetti, the olives, and give a final mix of the sauce and spaghetti and the olives. As it mixes, you can put off the gas. Now put this mixture in a baking tray. Oven I have already preheated for 5 minutes at around 180 degrees Celsius. Here I have put all the spaghetti in this, and from top I will be putting the cheese blend. It will give a nice brown crust on the spaghetti. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Bake it for 10 minutes and your spaghetti is ready. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.